Here it is, my McLeod clutch kit just arrived. It's the RXT twin aluminum kit for the C7 Corvette. Unfortunately they put the shipping sticker over the number, but it's 630680-7M. At the last track day my clutch gave up, so I had to order a new one. I actually ordered the stock clutch initially, but then I wanted to do some improvements and thought why not try out the lighter flywheel which comes with this kit. So I ordered this one from McLeod. So let's see what's inside the box. We have the instructions, a nice cover, the alignment tool, and the beautiful clutch with the number printed right there. Let's take it out and put it on the table so we can have a closer look. So that's the entire content: the alignment tool, the instructions, the aluminum flywheel, and of course the pressure plate and the discs. Let's just admire it for a few moments. This looks phenomenal, absolutely great. But you know, it's one of those things I'm hoping to install and never see again. I'm going to follow the instructions just to make sure we have everything and they are in a good shape as they should be, and why not just to have a quick preparation before I'm actually going to install them on the car. So first things first, inspect clutch assembly. Before disassembly we have the alignment tool, we have the pressure plate, we have everything, and we have the marking right there. So I think we're good with the first step. Second step, unbolt pressure plate by removing the 6 nuts. Let's do that and see what's hiding underneath. These are 15mm bolts. I'll just put them back so I'm not going to lose any of them. This is the first disc. It says top right here. Flywheel side on the other side. Just put it right there. Okay. Nice, very nice piece of engineering. So let's see what's the next step. Okay, remove top disc and alignment tool. Noticed flywheel side, already did that. The alignment tool was also removed. Remove the 3 nuts and lock washers that hold the floater straps onto the wheel. So this should be those 3 nuts. Okay, the floater assembly is removed, it's right here, and now we have access to the second disc, which has bottom on one side, and I think flywheel, yes, flywheel side on the other one. I put it right here, and there's our nice flywheel. So that's the entire assembly. I'm going to weight the flywheel. I'm just curious to see what's the weight of it. I was searching before I ordered it, but I couldn't actually find the exact number. This aluminum flywheel weighs exactly 7.4 kilos. I'll translate that into pounds, but that's the weight of it. And we can see here how it's built of different materials, right? It's the aluminum, billet aluminum here, and this is actually the friction section, which is made of some billet steel. It looks stronger and really nice. That's how nice this looks on the other side. Super neat, nice. Next step would be to start installing it on the car, but unfortunately can't do that today, so we're just gonna be putting it back together now that we saw every piece of it, and follow the instructions. This is the OEM pressure plate, this is the OEM disc, and this is the one from McLeod kit. Now, I'm not a specialized mechanic, not a lot of things to say about those, but just wanted to show it to you. I'm curious how much this weighs, because the OEM pressure plate is very heavy. I'll just see in a moment. The OEM pressure plate weighs exactly 11.7 kilos. Pretty heavy. So the McLeod pressure plate and the floater weighs like 8.8 kilos, which is again, it's again lighter than the OEM pressure plate. Another look side by side, the OEM pressure plate, the McLeod pressure plate. This one definitely looks fantastic, and it's also lighter, so very nice. The disc does have some clearance, as the instructions say. Of course, not the correct amount one, it's not torqued properly, it's not on the car yet, but for demonstration purposes, that's okay. I have aligned the discs with the top on this disc, and now we'll put back the cover, just checking the alignment, just to make sure we're on the right side. that's about it with the RXT McLeod Clutch Kit. It's rated for about 1000 horsepower, aluminum flywheel. I can't wait to get it installed on my car and see how it does on the street and on the racetrack.